Hi guys, I'm Nat Wood, the inventor of the Punch Box. The reason I invented the Punch Box is I had 17 years of professional sport, and which varied from boxing through to rugby league, and I pretty much covered most sports as a kid growing up. The one thing I really loved was boxing. I was lucky enough to grow up being trained as a boxer by the great Johnny Lewis. So the Punch Box isn't designed for power. It's not like a heavy bag when you get on and you try and practice your power punching. It's not designed for that. The Punch Box is designed to get some high volume punching with great technique that's going to incorporate all of your core muscle. All we're simply doing is using our legs, our hips, our core muscles to turn our upper body. Okay? This is the basic movement that you're going to use throughout the whole 16-minute workout. Punch Box has got 6 target areas for you to focus in and for you to punch. The Punch Box will count your punches and it'll give you a set target for your beginner, intermediate, advanced or pro for you to try and reach in a 30-second round. The positioning of the 6 targets on the Punch Box are what we aim at and what we aim to hit are positioned in such a way that you're constantly working different muscle groups in your body trying to hit these targets. So the Punch Box is designed with 16 basic combinations. For the first 8 combinations, we're never going to move our feet. We're going to keep our feet parallel and planted about 1.5 times your shoulder width. Combination 1 is punching the bottom white circle. We're going to keep our hands high and we're going to punch to this bottom target. Out and back, out and back, out and back. So the basic movement is just left, right, left, right, left, right. Combination 2, we'll just aim a little bit higher, so we're going to work our traps and our delts a bit more. 1, 2, 1, 2. Your feet don't need to move. You keep your feet positioned exactly the same spot for the first 8 combinations. Combination 3 is a body shot punch. So if you think you're a fighter, you want a body shot a guy, you've got to stay nice and focused, nice and centered. So combination 3 is a constant body shot. Combination 4, head shots. So if we've got a guy backed up in the corner, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 is all we're trying to do. Once again, we don't move our feet. We keep our feet planted and we just use that to generate our power. 1, 2. Combination 5, you're throwing a left hook and a right body shot. When you throw the left hook, you want to pivot on your left foot. You want to get your heel up off the ground and you want to pivot. That pivoting action of turning your weight, turning your hip, turning your shoulder is where you generate your power. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Combination 6 is just a mirror image of combination 5, but it's a right hook and a left body shot. On our hooks, make sure we keep our hands up high, bringing it back to our chin. Using our core group, not trying to punch hard. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Using the Punch Box is all about repetition. That repeat of bang, bang, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That's going to give you an all-over body tone. It's going to work your core muscles. This is designed a simple way of just chiseling away at those areas that you're not too happy with. Your belly, your bum, toning up your triceps, toning up your biceps. Okay, combination 7 is a left hook and a left body shot. Once again, I'm getting up on my left toe, I'm getting up my left heel up off the ground. I'm planting solid, my right foot. Left hook, left body, left hook, left body. My hands are changing in flight. The hook is hitting it on that angle. The body shot, I'm hitting it on that angle. Left hook, the left body. Number 8, once again, is just a mirror image of number 7. Hands high, nice parallel feet. Solid foundation. Get up on our right toe this time. Plant our left foot nice and solid. We pivot on our right toe, our right foot. Hook, body, hook, body. Angle change on the way you punch the pad. High, low, high, low. Keep your left hand up. 1, 2, 1, 2. Feel the work through your belly, through your core. The 16-minute workout's all about core. Nothing to do with power, all about core. Exercise 9. Exercise 9 and 10 are my favourite exercises in the whole 16-minute workout. I'll tell you why. We keep a nice wide stance. We stand side onto the Punch Box this time. Hands up again. Up on our right toe for exercise 9. On our right toe, we're planting our left foot. We're punching high white, low white. 1, back. Transfer all the weight into your right leg. 2, back. Try and square back up. Take your shoulders and hips, be square. Don't stay leaning in. 1, 2, 1, 2. Don't stay like this. You want to work these muscle groups here. By leaning in here, we're just working the shoulder. 1, 2. Let's get that full range of movement to get that full burn in our belly, full burn in our hips and in our bum. Exercise 10 is just the reverse of exercise 9. Hands up, nice wide stance. Put your right foot a little bit further in front of your left foot. Okay? High, low, high, low. As you can see, I'm returning back to here, back to my boxing stance. High shot, low shot. High shot, low shot. I'm planting my right foot, I'm up on my toe on my left foot. It's my pivot. It's letting me turn this hip action around and back, around and back. You'll feel it all through your belly here. Hands up high. High shot, low shot. High shot, low shot. Always come back to square on. Exercise 11 and 12. This is the only time during the 16-minute workout where we go to a normal boxing stance. In exercise 11, the combo 11, we go right foot forward, hands high, we're going a left jab and a left body shot. Left jab to the white, left body shot to the grey. 1, 2, 1, 2. Notice, my jab is returning to my chin. 1, back, 2, back. Bonk. Plant your right foot. Get up on your toe on your left foot. Hands high. We're going left jab, left body shot. Jab, return to our chin, body shot, return to our chin. Exercise 12, left foot forward. Plant our left foot. Get up on our right toe. Get our heel up off the ground. Hands up high. Right, right. 1, 2. Bang, bang. Keep our hands up high. Punch out, return it straight back. Very important that we don't drop our hands, punching and coming back. Punch out, bring it straight back. Exercise 13, back to parallel feet. Nice, plant our feet, but keep your heels nice and relaxed. Up on our toes a bit. We're going jab, jab, body shot. So jab, jab, body shot, standing front onto the punch box. Back to the same stance that we had for combos 1 to 8. 1, 2, 3. When you jab out, return to your chin. Jab out, return to your chin. Body shot, return to our chin. Combination 14. The exact same stance as combo 13. Hands high, nice and relaxed. Let our knees bend a little bit. We're going 1, 2, body. Head, body, body. 1, 2, 3. Bring our punch straight back. Can't emphasize how important it is to bring all of your punches back to your chin. Combo 15. Parallel feet, hands high. We're jabbing, we're hooking, we're body shot. Favorite combo, jab, hook, body. Jab, hook, body. Jab, hook, body. Parallel feet. Use our hips, bring our punch back to our chin. Combination 16, the last combination of the 16-minute workout. Exactly the same as 15. Hands high, parallel feet. Use our hips, use our core. Let's punch and return to our chin. Punch and return to our chin. Punch and return to our chin. Bang, 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 bang. And that's a 16-minute workout. Hope you enjoyed it.